Where did you go?
I went to school.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Whose dog is this?
This dog is mine.
Whose dog is this?
This dog is mine.
Why are you crying?
I lost my phone.
Why are you crying?
I lost my phone.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Who is he?
He is my teacher.
Who is he?
He is my teacher.
What is going on?
I am watching mobile.
What is going on?
I am watching mobile.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Where are you?
I am at home.
What happened?
I feel sick.
What happened?
I feel sick.
What did you buy?
I bought 5 breads.
What did you buy?
I bought 5 breads.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
What do you want?
I want your book.
What do you want?
I want your book.
What is that?
That is my bag.
What is that?
That is my bag.
Where are we?
We are in Bangladesh.
Where are we?
We are in Bangladesh.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
Who is he?
He is my friend.
Who is he?
He is my friend.